Go for it.
Alright, I found the secret. It won't take as long now.
The secret
I'll show you on the next drawer.
The secret is you don't do it. Come here, baby girl.
I was hitting the wrong spot. You checking it out for me, Daisy? Huh? You making sure it's okay? You making sure it's okay? If you see right here, there's where the tab is.
Baby, you're blocking everything.
I can't help it.
I got you. I got it.
But this tab right here, I was doing it wrong because on the Sears, the way I did it's the way you have to do it on those. Let's see, go over here to the next one. Boy, doesn't that make life easier? Now after these get painted, and I go to put them back in, I will pull these tabs out a little bit before I put them in the slides. Oh, uh-oh.
He made a boo-boo.
Yeah, I married you.
Well, that wasn't a boo-boo. That's the best thing you ever done.
Don't lie to people like that, honey.
Nobody else has been up with you.
Ain't that the truth?
Don't smash your fingers, sweetie.
Okay, I'm not taking the rails out, but I can tell you what, I'll have to run some Rust-Oleum and put this in the tub, clean it out, and put some Rust-Oleum in here, because they never painted the inside of these things. And
wait a minute, instead of Rust-Oleum, couldn't you put that rhino liner?
I don't have any rhino liner.
Okay.
But you know, that's not a bad idea. Hold on just a second. Now the next part to break down, I'm going to need some baggies. What size are you? Mary, your cook likes to eat tools. Turn that off, baby. Alright, I got some baggies. Since I'm not going to be painting the sides of this, I'm going to number them to where they go. I should have got the black Sharpie instead of that one. I'll be right back. I'm not going to hold it because you don't know where I have it.
I got a red one, an orange one, and a black one. That's on there.
Now on these, I'm going to keep the handles set to the drawer they come out of. And I'm going to number them too. That way I know it goes back together the way it should. Even though these are the wrong screws. Just sit it. These are some pretty nice handles.
Babe, why don't you just label the bag?
I'm going to.
You're not going to paint the handles?
No, I'm not going to paint the handles. I might take some Scotch-Brite pad, kind of clean them up a little bit and shine them up. And excuse me. Now folks, this is just going to be part one. I've got 2 days of good weather. Tomorrow and Thursday. Now after I get back from the doctor tomorrow, I'll get this outside and I'll start sanding on it. That's almost 3/4 of a cup. Got a nice deep one for the bottom one. The other two, or the other three I should say, are narrow. Magnet. Wonder if this will hold it in place. Let's see, stick you right there. Folks, I'll tell you what, from what I see on the inside of these drawers, before I can do anything, it's going to take some scrubbing. Really is. Because they are filthy. I don't know if it was sitting somewhere where there's a lot of dirt. Wait, I just marked that wrong.
Yeah, that's number 3, baby.
But even the ones I have, I empty them out and vacuum them out. If there's any dead spiders or whatever in them, it all comes out, and I clean it up with Windex. And I keep them clean. Alrighty. So basically, you know what I'm doing here. And I'll turn you back on when I have more.
Okay. Fish it up.
Hey everybody, I'm going to take my wife's hairdryer and I'm going to heat these stickers up to get them off. You know, a small hairdryer, it runs 1500 watts on high. So let's see if we can get these off. Well, that's going to take a little while, but let me show you the inside of this. I had to take the sliders out anyway. As you can see, I don't know if this was in a garage or something that was, or a building, and it's full of junk. So I had to take the sliders out. And if you look, it was never painted, but it's not all rusted up. So I think a good Scotch-Brite pad and some Rust-Oleum primer and paint will take care of that. And of course over here I got all my drawers tore down and taken apart. I'm going to work on these stickers for a little while longer. And hopefully in the next couple of days I'll have part 2 up. Everybody have a good evening.